How's it going, everyone? Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks here today, giving you a walk around on our newest unit that we have in stock. This 2009 BMW R1200 GSA. This bike has just over, I think it's 79,000 miles on it. Yeah, 79,013 miles on it this time. It will go up slightly. We are going to be doing a test ride video on this. I'll put a link to that video up here. This bike is in pretty good shape overall. Again, 79,000 miles, so you know the thing's been ridden. This bike has been to Africa. This bike has been all over the United States. It's been in Alaska. This bike has seen some miles. It's done exactly what BMW intended to have done on this thing. Bunch of aftermarket goodies on it. Does have this nice Migzel ram mount aftermarket windshield. Added on driving lights, brand new tires, but let's get into condition of it. We'll start back over here, sorry. Coming around here, there are some stress cracks on this wind deflector. Not a big deal, still works, just those bolts were probably over tightened at one point. Front windshield is in nice clear shape. Front's clear of any damage. This also does have a Wilbur front and rear suspension on it. You can see the front part there. So that's nitrogen charged shocks. The front monoshock, also a back monoshock. Again, brand new tires, wheels are in nice shape. This bike has been serviced by BMW only for its entire life, other than us putting the tires on it here. It was just serviced prior to us taking it in. It does have some hand deflector, wind deflectors there. Coming around the front, there is some scuffing here. Not sure if that's from like luggage or what exactly would have caused that there. Some scuffing here as well. It does have this nice beefy kickstand pad on it. It does have the BMW hard bags as well as the top case bag. There's that rear Wilbur suspension. The tank's in really nice shape. A couple of small little things there along the edge, but nothing crazy. Everything on the gauge cluster works as it should. The bars are in nice shape. Could use a new set of grips. He's probably been on there the whole time, so you got 79,000 miles of people white knuckling this thing. Aftermarket rear seat, nice red seat, super comfortable seat as well. No rips or tears. It does have this little bit of discoloration along the side here. I did purchase some leather cleaner, so I'm gonna see if I can get those that black staining off of it. But as far as these luggage racks go, nice big open luggage rack. R1200 GS. So, also too, like I said, it does have the back trunk as well. Nice little top case there. All your information there on it. The rear of the bike's in nice shape, nice bright lights in the back. Coming around, you can see a lot better there. What I'm talking about, and I see that little bit of black discoloration. We should hopefully be able to get that out. Bags are all in nice shape. Overall, for 79,000 miles, with what this bike's meant to do and what this bike has done, this is a great bike. It was previously owned by the president of one of these GS Giants clubs. So he actually took this thing everywhere, traded it into a local dealership on a brand new, it's their brand new bike that they made, the brand new BMW version of this. And the guy that we got this from ended up buying it from that dealership. And now he's just looking to move on and get out of riding altogether. So that's how we are selling it for him. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you can, hit the like button, leave a comment, let us know what you think of this off-road super touring enduro bike. And as always, we will catch you guys on the next video.